Our issue today is mining. Our objective is to share the expansive aerial perspective of the Barrick's gold mining operations in Nevada, to give local native Shoshone Indians and natives from regions in Alaska's threatened Bristol Bay tours over Nevada gold mining. We soared northwest over wilderness in Colorado past Mount Sopers, which held a heavy rain cloud over its summits. After crossing over Interstate 70, roads and pads from a well-known oil and gas maze were visible over our Roan Plateau. We flew over the salt flats and landed in Elko, where we met up with an organization that provides natives an opportunity to see the impacts of oil, gas, and mining in regions outside their home territories.
Coming here into Elko, the one person said, "I have now made the connection of how Indigenous people or Native Americans filter their land, which is very similar to what Alaska Natives filter their land." And so they made the connection of whether you're culturally tied to your land, a mining company can come in and still step on it and put their tailings in your sacred lands. And so they really made the connection yesterday about how Indigenous people are impacted by mines.
I am Carrie, Dann. I live in Crescent Valley, born in Crescent Valley, probably will die in Crescent Valley. It's not in your backyard, it's your front yard. People lived here. There's a lot of burial grounds in here too. But they say if they did find a human bone, they don't report it anyway. They just, you know.
Get rid of it.
Yeah, they're in part of that big dumps that they got over here. They're waste rock.
You know, it's just sad to see the destruction of this, because when all the gold is gone, they're leaving it. They don't have to clean it up either. You know, the mining laws and whatever, you don't have to clean it up. Just get the stuff and go. You know, we got so many holes in the ground, it's unbelievable. And this is all artificial hills here. It's all tailings from the mine.
But from the air, you get to see the whole footprint. And so that was the other part of this educational process, is to see that footprint of how huge this is going to be. It was all about the sense from the bird's eye view of looking down visually to how deep this is, getting a sense down here visually of how deep that pit is, and then how big their footprint is, I think is a realization to people that this is much bigger than what we all imagined it could be.
EcoFlight has been able to, through the years, help people inform themselves about these issues that are coming on, and then hopefully advocate for them. And it's part of our mission statement. But we've taken it upon ourselves to take these folks from Alaska. They come down into the Nevada area, and we point out to them that one mine in particular, this huge mine we're looking at right here, is the mine in Bristol Bay is going to be 10 times the size of this.
That respect of the land starts from the time that you're born, because you start learning about the land, you start learning about all the children the earth has, and that for them to have respect. It's just like having you and I respect each other. We respect those that use the land as well as we do. And also, Alaska has a lot of nice looking water, which is very scarce in our area.
This is what your place is going to look like, but a lot worse.
If you can keep the gold mines out, keep them out, because they don't care. Only thing they care about is how much money they're making and what they can give to their stockholders or whatever. That's their only concern.